Hello everyone! Today we're gonna learn how to draw a bird with color pencil. Okay, first I am using the pencil to draw the outline of the bird. So now I move on to the details of the bird. So I draw two small circles on the eye so that I can keep it white when I start to color. And I'm using my Derwent color pencil for the coloring. So first I started with dark brown to color all the shadow areas and also the darkest area. At the same time, I started to draw the feathers. So this is very important when you apply the color. It has to be in a way that it looks like feather. So instead of color in straight line, you have to color in a slightly curved line. And now I'm using black color for the eye. And then I color very lightly for the gray areas. And then I am using light brown and red color for the next layer. It is important to keep some of the areas white. It looks kind of like the reflections on the feathers. So now I am using yellow color to go through all the area. And then I use red color and also yellow color for the inner circle, and then layer with a dark brown color. And then now I am using white color to blend the color. So just to keep in mind that when you're doing the blending, you have to follow the directions of the feathers. And then now I'm using dark brown to draw out the details and also to darken the shadows area. So just to remember, every time when you draw a line, it has to be in a slightly curved line. Then now I'm using red color to give a warm temperature on the eye. And then now I'm using black color to draw out some of the details and also the shadows area. And then you can go on to add the details and also to blend until you are satisfied with your drawing. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!